Now you're going to create a Google App Engine application and deploy it on the Google Cloud project that we created earlier. Before doing that, we're going to need to download and install. You're going to search for, let's say, Google App Engine SDK, okay, Google App Engine software development kit. Then you're going to click on, let's say, download the Google App Engine SDK over here. See? Then in this case, we're going to download the Google App Engine for PHP version. So not for Java, it's for PHP. Okay, for PHP. So you can download the version for Windows or Mac OS and so on and so forth. In my case, I already download and install, and mine is for Mac and it's installed here. So you're gonna click on this to launch. Okay, this one is called Google App Engine Launcher. This one you're gonna be able to create a new apps. You're gonna be able to run the app locally, and you're gonna be able to deploy the app to the cloud. So in this case, we're going to create a new app. Actually, in our case, we should add existing app, but then because we don't have the existing app, we do have the PHP website, but then we don't have the Google App Engine app, so you cannot do this one. But I'm going to create this one just to get the YAML file or the configuration file. So I'm going to create a new app. This one is just like the test one. Okay, so, but it's going to be easier. It would be easier if we create the task with the same app ID. So we're going to go to our console cloud again. Then click on home. So our app's ID is this one. So we're gonna create that app ID. Okay, we'll create that app ID. Okay, and you can create it anywhere because my purpose of creating this is just to get the YAML file. So just create the new app ID over here. Then you're gonna choose the PHP version. Remember to choose this PHP version. Then the admin port is this one, and the port is this one. For website port is this one. So we're gonna create this application, but then we don't use this application actually. So I'm gonna just, let's say, file edit. We're gonna open in Finder. The things that I need from here is not the app itself. I only need the YAML file. So I'm gonna just copy this one. Then I'm gonna move to our website. Okay, so our website is in here. Then it's in MAM folder. htdocs. Our website is, or just go to our NetBeans. Okay, and we have our projects over there. So I'm gonna paste our configuration website over there. Okay, then right now what you could do is that just forget this one, delete it. Okay, so you're going to remove the application. Okay, remove that. Now we're gonna do file add existing applications. So you cannot browse to our application there. Application, it's in MAM folder, then htdocs and our SMS project, I think. Okay, is it SMS project? Yeah, it's our website with SMS project. Let me check what is that one. Yeah, it's SMS project. Then you're gonna choose that, okay, and you add our application. And now we have our application added over there. Okay, we have our application added over there. You could try to run this one locally and see if it works or not, but I'm not gonna try to run this because I could run it with this already. Okay, I could run this with this already in advance. So I ran this already before earlier, and it works now locally. And now we're gonna deploy it by just clicking on the deploy button. However, this one is important. Before deploying to the cloud, we need to do the configurations. Okay, we need to do the configuration so that so that it's gonna be able to work configuration for this one. Then we're gonna click on the edit over here to edit the app.yaml file. So this one is the ID of the application. Okay, this one is PHP version. Okay, this one is API version, and this one is for the icons, and we're not dealing with icons, so you can safely remove it. But so far, all the URL are going to be mapped to main.php. You'll see from here, our project, the file is index.php, not main.php. So we're gonna change this into index.php. In the future, I'm gonna explain more about the handlers here, okay? For Google App Engine PHP handlers, I'm gonna explain more about this. But so far, you just change this app.yaml file and change it to index.php. So all the URL are gonna be mapped to one single page, which is index.php. We're gonna close this one and get back to ours. Then again, before deploying, we need to change our connections. So in order to use the connection, the host right now is changed to null. The user is root. The password so far is empty. You can go to that here. Okay, you can go to that information for ASCII and just keep this one and make another one here. Okay, so one is for our API. Okay, another one is for our SQL. So click on this one, we'll go to SQL. Okay, our SMS instance. Then we're gonna have the information about the database over here. Okay, the information about the database over here. Okay, so we're going to get back to this. We're gonna see the access control. Okay, you will see the information about the users. Okay, so far we have the root users, and you can check the password here if you would like to. Okay, you can check the password here if you would like to. But so far, we just keep the password as empty, so put it empty. The database name is still studentDB. The port right now is null, you don't use a port anymore. The socket is important. You need to change the socket into, let's say, Cloud SQL. Then you're gonna go to the instance name. So you're gonna go to instance name, so SQL instance name. So let's just go to the overview. Okay, then the instance name is here. Okay, instance names actually consist of the project name, then your SQL instance name. Copy this one. Okay, so go to that instance, click on overview, go down here, go to instance connection name, copy that. Okay, copy that. Then you're gonna go back to our this. Okay, copy and paste that one here. See, so now you have your configuration done. Okay, the change configuration. Then now you're gonna deploy. Okay, click on deploy. And for the first time of deploying, it's gonna ask you to do the authorizations or login. So I'm not logging with my account. Okay, allows it. Okay, authorization flow is complete. We get back to the launcher. Okay, and see the deployment. So starting the deployment, checking the deployment successful. Okay, that's good. Checking is the app is serving. Okay, it's successful and exits with no errors there. So we're gonna get back to our apps. So we're gonna click on this menu, click on API Manager. Okay, okay, we're gonna click on our project. Let's say click on Home. Yes, and we have our projects there. Where is that? Let me see. Click on App Engine. Sorry. Okay. Click on App Engine, and once you click on App Engine, you'll see this one is a link to the website that we uploaded. Okay. Again, click on this, then click on App Engine. Okay, and here's the website, a link to the website. We're gonna click on the link to our website, and you see our website successfully deployed on the Google Cloud, and now it's successfully loaded it up. Okay, so this one is done.